Hello, today I will show you a mini PC from China, Onda M2. I bought it from gearbest.com and we'll see how it works, and we'll see the package contents. Package was sent with post NL. It's difficult with one hand, but I'm trying. We see Onda. Okay. Onda M2. It has an Intel processor and 2 GB of RAM. I bought it because I have an old monitor, and this mini PC have VGA output, so I can use the old monitor which doesn't have HDMI. This is it. We see for Wi-Fi. This is for headphones, and USB, Ethernet, VGA, HDMI, and this is power. Here we see the cooler. I lie. It has 4 GB of RAM and SSD 1 to 8 GB. And here is 2 USB. Let's look what's here. Some kind of user manual. Yes, as I expected, all in Chinese. The CPU is Intel G1900 and DDR3 2 GB, but I bought 4 GB, so maybe I look not there. I think this is this variant with 4 GB of RAM and SSD 1 to 8 GB, SATA 3. That's interesting. Here we see the mount, so I can I can mount it to my monitor. On the back of the monitor, this is Wi-Fi antenna. And the power. Power adapter. $20 4 amperes. The main cable is expected, not European, but this jack I have some from old PC, so I think it should work. In the next video I will show how it works. I'll try to connect and we'll see. Now I will try to connect Onda M2 mini PC to desktop monitor via VGA, and it will be first try to see the BIOS or it has BIOS or no or not. As I said, there was a cable like this, which not European, so I got European from old desktop PC, which I connect here. It fits, as we see. And this side we connect here. I need to a little bit connect. Now we connect the monitor first. And the power. The keyboard is connected. I don't attach mouse yet, but now we can try to power on. Oh, it shows something. Wow, Windows is pre-installed. Windows 10. Oh, it works. The resolution we have to change. I need to attach mouse. Now I'll try to connect mouse. I don't know if it is working or not. Now we will see. Oh, working. So let's look at specs properties. So now we see that processor is Intel Celeron G1900, Windows 10 Pro, and 4 gigabytes of RAM, Windows 10, and Windows is activated. In description we saw that there is no pre-installed, but here we see that everything is fine. PC. So there is 2 drives. Exactly, there is 1 drive physical, but there are 2 logical drives. One of them and the other is empty. There is Windows installed in this drive. So the app driver updater Pro. Let's look. What's the app? It's offering me to scan for drivers, for updates. No, let's look. Oh, we don't have internet yet. Okay, where is Wi-Fi? Not connected. Where is my Wi-Fi? Let's connect it. First try to connect to internet. Next. Do you want to allow your PC to be discovered? Yes, I want. Connected, secure. Okay. That's fine. Now let's look. The internet is working. Oh no. Refresh. Oh, working. Now let's try to scan. I'm not sure this is a good idea. Maybe I will try to update via Windows updates. I think it would be a better idea. Is it the right resolution or not? Let's look here. This is the best resolution that I can, so I think this is fair. Update. Let's update. I'm not using Windows 10 for a long time, so it's a bit updates not available. Waiting for download. It's a little bit messy. No, I think it will update automatically. But first look, I think I will wait a little bit and look. Maybe hardware will update automatically. Okay, so that's it. A mini PC Onda M2. It fits for my kids. Thank you for watching.